Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power is steady and correct. Plug the clock into a known good outlet and remove backup batteries. Once done, check the adapter label to make sure voltage and polarity match the clock's requirements and inspect the cord and plug for frays. Make sure brightness or dimmer switches aren't set to minimum. Some clocks have a separate display voltage jumper. Look for that. If you see a blown fuse or loose connector, be prepared to replace it before proceeding further. You'll open the case carefully, keeping screws organized, and disconnect power before touching anything. Once inside, examine the power regulator, electrolytic capacitors for bulging, and the display driver IC for scorch marks. Use a multimeter to test regulator output and continuity on traces. Make sure to reseat ribbon cables and connectors. Intermittent contact often causes dim or garbled displays. If LED segments or resistors test out of range, you reassemble the clock carefully, ensuring ribbon cables and connectors are fully seated and screws are snug without over-tightening. Once powered, set the time and brightness, then observe the display for 24 to 48 hours to confirm stability. Fluctuations often show only after extended runtime. If problems return, try a different compatible adapter and isolate nearby heat sources or electromagnetic interference, since heat and noise degrade driver ICs. If an intermittent fault persists, replace the display module or consult a parts diagram.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.